Good morning, dear students. Students, we are doing chapter permutations and combinations, and in today's session I am going to discuss about the topic combinations. Okay, students, suppose if you are going to market to purchase the casuals and the shopkeeper shows you a number of t-shirts or pants and you have to select only one. Okay, you have not enough money to purchase all the t-shirts. So students, if you are selecting one t-shirt out of 10 t-shirts, then it means you are selecting. Okay, when you are selecting something, then we use the combinations. Okay students, combinations, what do you mean by combination? Combination means selection of things. So students, in this way, how many selection can be made out of 10 t-shirts when you are selecting just one? So students, in this way we are using the combinations. So students, combination is very fast trick to calculate these all number of selection. So by using the formula NCR is equals to n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So students, let's start the questions. Here we have exercise 7.4 question number 1. In this question we have NC8 is equals to NC2 and we have to find NC2. First of all, we need to find the value of n. For that, NC8 is equals to NC2. Students, सबसे पहले हम एक result यहाँ पर study करेंगे. When 10C8 is equals to 10C2. Students, suppose हमारे पास अगर 10C8 10C2 के equal है, अगर हम इसका फॉर्मूला ओपन करते हैं by using the formula of combination, then we can write 10 factorial 8 factorial 10 minus 8 is 2 factorial. In the same way, we can also 10C2 we can also write as 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial. 10 minus 2 is 8 factorial. Now clearly you can observe that both the values are equal. So students, in this way, if we have a number 6C4, then that must be equal to 6C2 because 4 plus 2 becomes a 6. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो यहाँ से एक रिजल्ट निकलता है कि सपोज वी हैव n नंबर्स, वी हैव NCR इज इक्वल्स टू NCP ओनली इफ R प्लस P इज इक्वल्स टू N. ओके, फर्स्ट केस तो हमारा ये है और सेकेंड केस हम कह सकते हैं व्हेन R इज एग्जैक्टली इक्वल्स टू P, देन दिस इज द सेकेंड केस. So student, by using these results, we can write here given NC8 is equals to NC2. So students, here we use R is equals to P or R is equals to N minus P. Okay students, so thus NC8 is equals to NC2. We can write as 8 plus 2 is equals to N. So in this way we get N is equals to 10. So we have find the value of N. Now we have to calculate 10C2. In this way, by expanding the formula 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial 10 minus 2 factorial, we get 10 factorial over 2 factorial into 8 factorial. Now expanding the 10 factorial because 10 is the largest number among these three numbers factorial. So expand 10 factorial and we can stop at 8 factorial because 8 factorial lies in the denominator. So 8 factorial to 8 factorial will cancel out and in this way we get the 10 into 9 over 2, that is 45. So students, in this way our answer becomes 45. Here we have the next question, question number 2. Determine n if 2nC3 ratio nC3 is equals to 12 ratio 1. Students, in this question we have to find the value of n. Let's first calculate this. Okay students, आप यहाँ पर इनमें सेपरेटली भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं और डायरेक्टली रेशो है, आप डिवाइड करके भी आप इसे कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं स्टेप बाय स्टेप. ओके, हियर आई एम शोइंग यू द सॉल्यूशन सेपरेटली. 2nC3 is the 2n factorial over 3 factorial 2n minus 3 factorial. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, आप देख सकते हैं 2n factorial and 2n minus 3 factorial, अगर हम दोनों को कंपेयर करते हैं then 2n factorial is larger. So we expand 2n up to 2n minus 3 factorial. In this way 2n minus 3 factorial to 2n minus 3 factorial will cancel out and remaining we get this one. In the same way we have to solve the NC3. Then we write here n factorial divided by 3 factorial n minus 3 factorial. Now students, here n factorial is greater than n minus 3, so we expand n factorial as n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 factorial stop. So n minus 3 factorial to n minus 3 factorial will cancel out, and in this way we get this value. Now students, using this value in this statement, here we have 2nc3 ratio nc3 is equals to 12 ratio 1. Now put these values in this way. You can observe that 6 to 6 will cancel out, and here n to n will cancel out. In the same way, if we take 2 common here, then we get n minus 1 to n minus 1 will cancel. Now in this way we get this result. Okay students, and after that you can see here 2 into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 1, this will cancel out, and we left with these factors. By doing the cross multiplication, we get 4 into 2n minus 1 is equals to 12 n minus 2. Now students, multiply this with 4 and multiply 12 with n minus 2. In this way we get this linear equation, and by solving this we get 5 is equals to n. This calculation is very simple. So students, in this way we get the answer n is equals to 5. And students, here I am sharing you the next question. This is similar question. 2nc3 ratio nc3, that is equals to 11 ratio 1. Is in this question we have to find the value of n. And students, by the same working rule as we have done previously, and you can easily find the value of n. Here I am sharing you the solution. Okay, and here next question is very important. How many chords can be drawn through 21 points on a circle? Students, आपसे ये पूछा गया है कि एक सर्कल पर सपोज वी हैव 21 पॉइंट्स. ओके, वी मार्क 21 पॉइंट्स ऑन अ सर्कल, एंड हाउ मेनी कोड्स कैन बी ड्रॉन. आप कितने कोड्स को ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं? सबसे पहले तो आपको ये पता होना चाहिए व्हाट इज कोड. कोड इज कनेक्ट्स 2 पॉइंट्स on the boundary of the circle. Suppose students, if we draw a line by joining the 2 points that lies on the circle, that makes the chord. In the same way, diameter is the longest chord of the circle. आप ये previous classes में study कर चुके हैं. So students, in this question we have total 21 points, and how many chords, हम कितने chords बना सकते हैं? That means we need the combination of 2 point. ओके, 2 पॉइंट के कॉम्बिनेशन से ही आप एक कोड को बना सकते हैं, तो यहाँ हम यूज़ करेंगे कॉम्बिनेशन को. ओके, सो इन दिस वे वी हैव टोटल 21 पॉइंट्स, एंड एट वन टाइम यू नीड 2 पॉइंट्स, सो वी यूज़ द फॉर्मूला 21C2. ओके, बिकॉज हम कॉम्बिनेशन कितने का बनाएंगे? 2 पॉइंट्स का कॉम्बिनेशन बनाएंगे. सो स्टूडेंट्स, हियर वी कैन राइट 21 फैक्टोरियल over 2 factorial, 21 minus 2 factorial. So 21 factorial and 19 factorial. If we compare these two, then we can write 21 into 20 into 19 factorial. This will cancel. Now students, in this way we get the answer 210 codes. So students, in this way answer is 210 codes. और students, आपको क्वेश्चन कैसा भी आ सकता है. आप लोगों ने फिल्म देखी होगी सुपर 30. How many handshakes can be possible if 30 persons are meeting? So students, handshake करने के लिए भी आप देख सकते हैं कि 2 hands की requirement होगी. So in this way, by using the same concept, you can find that value. Okay students, here we have next question, question number 4. In how many ways can a team of 3 boys and 3 girls be selected from 5 boys and 4 girls? अब students, हमें यहाँ पर टीम बनानी है 3 boys and 3 girls. ओके, बी सेलेक्टेड, और हमारे पास टोटल कितने हैं? 5 boys and 4 girls. सो स्टूडेंट्स, हेयर जब हम सिलेक्शन करते हैं तो वहाँ हमें कॉम्बिनेशन ही यूज़ करना है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस वे नंबर ऑफ वेज आर, टोटल वी हैव 5 boys, सो वी आर सेलेक्टिंग 3 boys among of 5. सो स्टूडेंट्स, वो कोई भी 3 boys हो सकते हैं, इसीलिए किन किन का कॉम्बिनेशन बन सकता है, इसके लिए हम नंबर ऑफ वेज फाइंड कर रहे हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सपोज वी हैव 5 बॉयज़. ओके, आप ना 5 बॉयज़ सामने इमेजिन कर लो. सपोज वी हैव सोनू, मोनू, राहुल, जतिन एंड पीयूष. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आपको क्या करना है, इनमें से 3 बॉयज़ को सिलेक्ट करना है। अब वो 3 बॉयज़ कोई भी हो सकते हैं। ऐसे कितने वेज हो सकते हैं, उसके लिए हम लिखेंगे 5C3। सो स्टूडेंट्स 5 फैक्टोरियल डिवाइडेड बाय 3 फैक्टोरियल, 5 minus 3 factorial. By solving this we get 10. In the same way we have number of ways of selecting the 3 girls out of 4 girls. So we will write 4C3 and 4 factorial over 3 factorial, 4 minus 3 factorial. So in this way we get the 4 ways. So but we have to make the team of total 6, that is 3 boys and 3 girls. So in this way total number of ways are 10 into 4, that is 40. So hence 40 ways to be selecting 3 boys and 3 girls from 5 boys and 4 girls. This is your answer. So students, hopefully all of you understand the today's concept of combinations. So if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching the complete video.